Meta has announced that it will be adding a new Calls tab for its Messenger app on iOS. The feature will roll out to Android in the next few weeks. The new tab will be placed alongside the Chats, Stories, and People tabs at the bottom of the app. This makes it easier for users to open up a list of contacts to find the one they want to call. Previously, the convoluted processes required going into a thread, with the contact present, to call them. The Calls tab allows users to contact their friends directly. According to Meta, video and audio calls have increased by 40% in comparison to early 2020. The company touts that there are more than 300 million audio and video calls globally made on Messenger every day. In other news, another Meta platform, WhatsApp, is testing an edit button for text messages. This will allow users to edit erroneous texts after sending them, something which was not previously possible. Interestingly, the company had already worked on the feature before, but it abandoned the project 5 years ago. Now, it has put the feature back in testing, but it still remains to be seen if it ever makes it to the general public.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.